Most people think fixing your money takes years, but the truth is, you can transform your entire financial life with one simple 5-minute system. And once you set it up, it literally runs itself. Here's how it works. Money becomes stressful when it's disorganized. Bills come in at different times. Income hits at random. You try to save, but it never feels like enough. The 5-minute system solves all of that by letting your money move automatically, without you having to think about it. It's built around one idea. Separate your money by purpose, not by amount. Meaning, every dollar has a job, and the system does the work for you. Let's take Jessica. She earns $4,000 a month. Before using the system, she felt broke every 2 weeks, even though her income was steady. Once she used the 5-minute setup, here's what happened. Her bills paid themselves, her savings grew every month, and her fun money stopped turning into guilt. Just by letting her bank accounts do the heavy lifting, she stopped relying on willpower. Step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Create 3 accounts. Account A, bills. Account B, daily spending. Account C, savings plus investments. Step 2, add automatic transfers. On payday, your bank sends preset amounts into each account. You touch nothing. You decide once. The system repeats forever. Step 3, put all recurring bills on auto-pay: rent, utilities, insurance, subscriptions. They all come from the bills account. No surprises, no forgot to pay. Step 4, use only your daily spending card for lifestyle expenses, food, gas, outings, everything. When it's empty, you stop. No guilt, no overspending. Step 5, savings builds quietly. Even $50 a week becomes real money fast. The key is consistency, not the size of the amount. Start small. 5 minutes today, 3 accounts, 1 automatic transfer. Once you feel the peace it brings, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. If you want more simple systems for smarter money, hit subscribe. Your future self will thank you.